Where are you?
I'm here.
Let's do the video.
Yeah. I love listening to Becca play her violin. It takes me away and lets me imagine stuff. Sometimes I imagine I'm flying. Sometimes it makes me think of fun colors. Sometimes it makes me think of a dancer. This sounds like she's on a riverboat, like Tom Sawyer or Huck Finn. Oh, this music was written by Mozart. I remember Becca told me her violin is very old. It was made in Paris in 1858 by Jean-Baptiste Violin. He was French. Oui, oui. This one makes me think she's in a beautiful castle, playing for the king and queen. Stay tuned for the next episode of Becca and her violin. She's going to play a song I think you're going to recognize. And that's a way to have a musical day.